What's up, crew? This is Allie, your fitness life personal trainer. Make sure you subscribe and like to my channel so you never skip a Monday workout. Today we're going to do a fun superset with the barbell. We're going to get comfortable with the barbell, ladies. Here we're going to start off with a bent over row, shoulder width apart, bent over parallel to the floor, and bring that barbell into your belly button. Ladies, as we get tired, we tend to stand up in this exercise, and that's going to really engage your traps, and that's going to create a linebacker, bigger neck look. So make sure you really engage that core, stick that butt back, and stay parallel to the floor as you're doing this. Then, to create more time under tension, get your heart rate elevated. This is what I really love about supersets and circuits, is that it creates a more effective workout in a shorter time. So I'm going to go straight into a straight leg deadlift. You really need to get comfortable with sticking your butt back on this exercise. You will feel it a little bit more in your hamstrings. That's why we're doing a straight leg instead of a traditional deadlift. And make sure that core is tight. You will feel your back muscles engaged, but if it really is only in your back and you can't feel it in your legs, then you need to take a rest. Maybe go down and wait. As you get stronger, then you can go back to this heavier weight. Feel free to also use lighter dumbbells. This doesn't have to be a barbell. If you want to grab dumbbells, you can totally do that too. But this will help create a really effective workout in a shorter time and really getting your back and your legs in shape. So hope you really enjoy this superset. I love working with the barbell like this. This is really fun. So if you like this exercise, make sure you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Check you later.